Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. I have a really fun layered card for you. This is my Trick-or-Treaters layered card. It is so cute with that little silhouette there with the trick-or-treaters going through the cemetery, and it does come with its own envelope as well. This is super simple to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG cut file. Okay, here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and then be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to head to Enter the Library. Go ahead and type in the password and hit Enter. And then you're brought to all the free files. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 137. It's the Trick-or-Treaters card. Go ahead and click that hyperlink and download the file to your computer. Make sure you unzip the file, and then we can go ahead and open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Okay, now that we're in a new project in Cricut Design Space, we're going to go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Go ahead and find where you downloaded the file onto your computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now that the file has been brought into Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. There are a few things that we need to convert on this card before we can go ahead and make it. So the first thing that we need to do is change the score line on the envelope. So scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. This is the score line right here. Come up to Operation and change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. We need to do the same thing for the card base. So highlight the score line. Come up to Operation and change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. And lastly, we need to convert the text, the trick or treat. We need to change that to pen because we want the machine to draw it on for us. Highlight the text, come up to Operation and change that to pen. I'm going to keep it on black because I want it to go with the silhouette here. So highlight the group and attach. When you have all that done, you should end up with the envelope that has the score line, the card base that has the score line, and then the trick or treat is changed here on the sentiment layer. We can go ahead and click Make It. You'll see the different mats for this card. Go ahead and click Continue. I'm going to be using medium cardstock for this card, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. I'll get everything all cut out and I will see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that everything has been cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that we need to do is go ahead and layer our front cover panel and then our messaging panel together. So I'm just going to glue the black silhouette layer on top of the sentiment layer here, and then the messaging panel together here. Okay, this would be really fun if you used some foam squares or foam dots or something to really make this kind of pop, to give it a little bit more dimension. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and glue it all together. Okay, so we have our front cover panel here, and then we have our messaging panel. I'm going to set those to the side, let them dry for just a minute. You can go ahead and fold and burnish along the score lines on the card base. Let's go ahead and flip the card open and add our messaging panel to the inside. Now we can just add the front cover panel to the front of the card. And there we go. Trick or treat, that cute little silhouette. I love how that inking really makes the whole background kind of pop. If you're interested in seeing how I did that, I will show that in a future video, so check out that when it becomes available. And then on the inside is your spot for your message. Let's go ahead and set that to the side so that can all dry, and let's go ahead and work on the envelope. So to fold the envelope, you're just going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Now take the inlay panel and add your glue along the outer edge. Place that over the cutout on the envelope. Try to center it the best that you can. Spin the envelope around and bring the side flaps in. Add your glue along the bottom edge of those side flaps. And then with your thumb, just push up on the bottom flap and press to close. And that forms your envelope. Super cute. Isn't this card so simple? I love how easy it is to put together. You can knock a whole bunch of these out really quick if you wanted to. I hope that you like it, and I hope that you make it. If you do make it, I hope that you post in our Facebook group. We have thousands of friends who love to support and motivate each other, and we would all love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will see you at the next card making video. Bye.